प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हो ये चैप्टर हमने पहले से शुरू किया हुआ है और आज इस चैप्टर में हम प्लांट्स में वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस asexual reproductive method in plants. This is also called as vegetative reproduction. In plants, the unit of vegetative propagation such as runner, rhizome, sucker, tuber, offset, bulb are capable of giving rise to new plant, means there is no need of a seed. These structures are called as vegetative propagules. Well, students, do you know how potato, sugarcane, banana, ginger, dahlia are cultivated? Yes, I will show you some samples here now in the video. You have seen small plants emerging from the buds called as eyes of the potato tuber, from the rhizome of banana and ginger. When you carefully try to determine the site of origin of new plantlet in the plant listed above, you will notice that they invariably arise from the nodes, right, present in the modified stem of these plants. Whenever these nodes come in contact with damp soil or water, they produce roots and new plants. Similarly, adventitious buds arise from the notches present at the margin of leaves of bryophyllum. Now, I am going to show you these samples. The first sample is potato. You can see it is very common vegetable, and being biostrains you must know how to propagate it, how to cultivate it. Now you can see some structures, these small structures over here on its outer surface. These simply called as eyes, right? And the bud arise from these part, and these are also nodes, and it is potato tuber. It is an underground stem. So if we have to propagate it, then what we have to do? We have to cut these parts. We can cut it from there, so that each and every part must have 3 to 4 eyes, and it can be easily propagated, right? This is first sample, potato. Next sample is ginger, adrak. I have its underground portion with me, and it is called as rhizome. You can see a bud is arising, this one, a bud is arising, and also you can see these structures. These are nodes. You can easily observe these structures. These are nodes. So from these nodes these buds arise, and we can propagate this by just keeping this piece under the soil, right? So we can propagate ginger by keeping these rhizome in the soil. Next is कोलोकेशिया. इसको हम अरबी बोलते हैं. It is used as a vegetable, and here also you can see these structures. Here you can see the bud. Again same way we keep this rhizome in the soil and it will germinate. This is bryophyllum leaf. You can see the notch on the margin and some little structures arising from its margin, and these are the leaf buds. These small structure which you can see are the leaf buds. Whenever these leaf buds separate from the plant or leaf, they germinate, right? I will show you this structure which is lying on my hand is leaf bud. So in all these cases which I have shown here, vegetative propagation takes place. Hope you will got it and learn it. In the same way, farmer propagate sugarcane by cutting, grapevine by cutting, rose plants also you propagated by cutting the stem portion of the plant. Hope you have got knowledge about propagation of these plants. You can subscribe my channel for such exciting educational videos. Thank you.